outside the courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. Chanley, so some breaking developments here.
That's right. I've been checking the court file today in this matter, and there's a new order that was just filed by the judge, and it is excluding one of Amber Heard's friends from the courtroom. Here's a look at the order. I'll read it to you, Joy. It says, upon consideration of plaintiff's motion, Johnny Depp's motion to exclude a woman named Eve Barlow from the courtroom for the pendency of the trial, it was granted. So that means that one of Amber Heard's friends will not be able to sit in the courtroom yesterday. And I've been in the courtroom and I've noticed this woman. We have her right there on video. She's one of those supporters who sits on one of the front rows right behind Amber Heard's counsel there. She was sitting there. She sometimes arrives with Amber to court as well. This is a friend of hers. Well, as I was sitting in court yesterday, Joy, now we don't know exactly what the motion said, why they wanted her excluded, because that was filed under seal, which a lot of the motions back and forth here are filed under seal in this matter. That's a protective order that was put in place on this case 3 years ago by motion of Amber Heard. So some things are under seal, but what I can tell you is what I observed in court yesterday, which was I noticed Amber Heard during a sidebar in the afternoon recess sitting back there on the front row of the gallery with her friend Eve Barlow for a while. And then once court started back up, she went and sat back at counsel table. Well, then there was a sidebar in the afternoon in which the attorneys then returned to the front row of the gallery on both sides, both Johnny Depp's side and Amber Heard's side, and asked those individuals who were sitting there in the front row, some are attorneys, some are family members, some work with the celebrities, asked them to move away from the front row and into the back of the gallery, some of the empty seats in the back of the gallery. This was unusual. We really didn't know what was going on. And then a little while later, as testimony is continuing to unfold with the deposition of Dr. Kipper, I noticed security move around in the courtroom behind me, and I see security go to a woman that looks like Eve Barlow and escort her out of the courtroom. I don't know why, but something happened, and now I see this order. So it's all these puzzle pieces maybe coming together, but that's the latest from here in Fairfax.